What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free fetch rewards points, and this is a super safe and easy method to get you tons of points in fetch rewards for completely free. Now, this does take a few minutes of your time, but it's well worth it. It's going to save you a bunch of time trying to earn these points. This is just a simple code that you can redeem in the Fetch Rewards app, and it's going to credit you a ton of points. So you've got to go to your internet on your mobile phone. I'm using an iPhone in this instance, and you've got to go to www.topdogcodes.com. So pause the video if you need to. Make sure you go directly to this website, Top Dog Codes. Now, this is a coupon codes website, but they also have tons of different codes. They basically save you money across pretty much anything online. Go to the search bar and type in fetch. And this is the page you need to look for, guys. Free fetch rewards points. Now, you can get a 100,000 free fetch rewards points code. Like I said, when you redeem it, it's going to credit your fetch rewards account. Now, these codes are limited in numbers, so there is a bit of a process of unlocking your personal and exclusive code, but it only takes around 5 to 10 minutes, and you can see it's highly rated and working. So click show code. Now, like I said, you need to unlock your personal fetch rewards points code, guys. These are limited in number, and this basically prevents people from getting millions and millions of points for free. So click unlock code. Now, I've already done this, so I don't want to waste these codes just to create a video. So let me just cancel that. But when that gets to the end, you're going to see a new screen, and it's going to tell you how to unlock your rewards points code. You need to complete a couple of these free tasks. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Just follow the instructions. It's pretty easy, and it will be self-explanatory when you see the screen. But once you've done that and fully completed 2 tasks following the instructions, you should now have the full code revealed. So these stars will turn into like numbers and characters, and you can go ahead, redeem your points code on the Fetch Rewards app or website, and you're going to get 100,000 free points. So that is it, guys. Head on over to topdogcodes.com, search for the Fetch Rewards points page. Just do make sure you verify correctly and follow through all of the instructions. Take your time, guys. It's pretty easy, and that's how you can get free Fetch Rewards. I'll see you next time. Smash that like button. Peace out.